Seedance 2.5 is live. The next generation of the world's #1 AI video model has just been announced. 30-second continuous shots, with no cuts and no stitching. Up to 50 references in a single generation, and editing so precise, you can change one object in a frame without regenerating the video. And here's the part you need to hear right now. With the pre-sale, you get 14 days of unlimited Seedance, starting today with unlimited Seedance 2.0 in 4K, before the rest of the world catches up. Let me show you exactly what's coming and how to lock it in. But before we get into it, if you're new here, welcome to ManuAGI. I'm Manu, and on this channel, I show you the best AI tools and how to use them, in simple steps anyone can follow. If that sounds helpful, hit subscribe, because this one is a perfect example. So here's the situation. Seedance 2.0 is already the #1 ranked AI video model in the world, and ByteDance's next generation, Seedance 2.5, is coming to Higgsfield in just 7 days. But you don't have to wait to start creating. Here's the deal, and I'll say it exactly. Seedance 2.5 is live. Get 14 days of unlimited Seedance on Higgsfield, 7 days of unlimited Seedance 2.0 in 4K, then switch to Seedance 2.5 for the next 7 days. So the moment you lock in the presale, you get unlimited Seedance 2.0 in 4K today. And the second 2.5 drops, you automatically roll into 7 more days of unlimited Seedance 2.5. 14 days of unlimited generation with the best AI video models alive. Now let me show you why 2.5 is such a big deal. Look at this. That's up to a 30-second continuous generation, one unbroken shot. Not 4 clips stitched together and hoped for. The character, the camera, the lighting, the whole scene structure holds from the first frame to the last. This alone changes what you can make. Next, you can feed it up to 50 references in a single generation. Images, video clips, audio files, style boards, text prompts. 50. It maps all of them into the scene and keeps them there. For anyone building consistent characters and worlds, this is the dream. This one's my favorite. Region editing. Change one object, one character detail, one region of the frame, without regenerating the whole video. Surgical control. Finally. And listen to this.
I already paid. I sat in that booth for 30 years.
You arrived 6 minutes ago.
I had a wife. I watched her get old. I held her when she... Please, somebody tell me you remember her. She was real. She was real to me.
Subject remembers the loop.
My name is not Subject!
His grief twists every life you lived.
You break it, you erase every life you lived.
I already lost them. Don't go inside, please! Please listen to me!
The audio you're hearing was generated in the same pass as the video. Dialogue, footsteps, ambience, already sitting in the cut when you get it back. No bolting sound on afterwards, and across everything, roughly 20% better instruction following than 2.0, with an upgraded encoder that holds fine detail. Hair, text, small textures, consistent across frames. It just listens better. What you get today? Now remember, 2.5 arrives in 7 days. But the presale isn't a waiting room. The moment you lock it in, you get unlimited Seedance 2.0 in 4K, right now. The current world #1, upgraded to 4K output, with unlimited generations for a full week. so you're creating from day 1, and then 2.5 unlocks automatically. So here's the play. This is a limited time, limited availability presale, and the whole point is locking it in before the world catches up. 14 days of unlimited Seedance, 7 days of 2.0 in 4K starting today, 7 days of 2.5 the moment it drops. The link is in the description. If you're serious about AI video, this is the window. That's Seedance 2.5. 30-second shots, 50 references, region editing, native audio. The future of AI video, and you can lock in 14 unlimited days right now. Link below. If you want my full workflows the moment 2.5 drops, hit subscribe, because that video is coming. And tell me in the comments, what's the first thing you'd make with a 30-second single shot? Best idea gets pinned. See you in the next one.